guys, I'm doing a little video over here about my RC helicopter. It's pretty sick right here. It's really pretty cool. Also, it's pretty decent. It's pretty decent. So it kind of makes a loud noise. And the light is pretty cool. So this is a big wing, pretty big wing. These are the motors over here, wings, balancer. It comes with kind of the part. You can get it from an RC store. That's where I got it from. I don't know what this is. EPO. Wait, let me get that away. EPO. It's not an F. It's not an F. Maybe it shows an F but it's just not an F. Okay, yeah, anyway, so this helicopter, it's decent. It's pretty decent. So if you want to turn off the lights on this, you gotta press that button right there, that button right there. So yeah, and that's how long the antenna goes. So it's pretty decent. Also, yeah. And if you want to, let's say, the trim over here, I'm not gonna move the trim because I just don't. Slow, fast, or slow. I do it fast because I'm kind of advanced in this trim. Yeah. Really, that's my next video will be a really sick test drive. And thanks guys for watching, and bye.